Here is our steamed fish sauce. Wow. You know, it's okay for your steamed fish sauce to be a little bit more saltier or stronger in flavor.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today, Appa has a very beautiful cutlet, fish cutlet. It's a barramundi fish, siakap fish, but it's a wild siakap. And this is about, I think, 5.2 kg. I bought it, the whole fish, and cut it, asked the seller to cut it into different pieces for me. So this is one piece, very thick. Not sure if you can see very clearly here. Very thick, very fresh, vacuum packed, And now I'm going to steam it, and I'm going to make a very simple steamed fish sauce later, which is very, very yummy. Of course, first of all, you need to prep the fish. After you wash the fish, make sure you remove all the blood stain in the middle here. This is the source of fishiness. It's actually the fish kidney. And then put a bit, 2 pieces of ginger on top, and we can actually sprinkle a little bit of salt on top, and then we can send it to our steamer. Once your steamer is ready, at least 100 degrees Celsius and above, we can then put in the fish, and let it steam for approximately 7-8 minutes. Let me quickly make a steamed fish sauce, a very, very appetizing type. Give it a bit of water here, a little bit of light soy sauce, and here I have some salted black bean, fried garlic, and also chili padi. Put all this inside. Give a bit of sugar, and just make sure the sugar is dissolved. Then our very flavorful steamed fish sauce is ready. See, actually you can use different combination of ingredient to create some very, very flavorful steamed fish sauce, and it is not difficult at all. By the way, the fried garlic here, actually it comes together with a little bit of garlic oil. Done. That's how simple it is. Alright, this is after a process. Oh, no. 缺水. Not enough water. So I need to add some filtered water into my combi oven. I'm not sure how often do you all steam. Appa like to steam. So here's the hidden water tank. Let's add in the water. Alright. And just let it continue. Alright, this round is really ready. Wow. Wow, the fish is so beautiful. Wow, I'm not sure if you all can see this. Can see or not? Can see or not? Right, so instead of removing the fishy water, I actually moved the whole piece of fish into a new serving plate. Next thing, here is our steamed fish sauce. Wow. You know, it's okay for your steamed fish sauce to be a little bit more saltier or stronger in flavor, because it needs to be used to flavor your fish. Wow, super fragrant, seriously. You don't have to cook this steamed fish sauce. No need. If you think you like more garlic, just add on some fried garlic on top. And I will also garnish it with some spring onion, or you can use fresh coriander as well. Very simple, but super flavorful. And very appetizing, especially because of the salted black bean. That is what I normally call my grandma's flavor. So if you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on the Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.